Why pre-approvals is key for home buyers in 2022. You may have heard that it's important to get pre-approved for a mortgage at the beginning of the home buying process. But what does that really mean? And why is it so important? Especially in today's market, with rising home prices and high buyer competition, it's crucial to have a pre-approval letter prior to making an offer. Here's why. Being intentional and competitive are must when buying a home this year. Pre-approval from a lender is the only way to know your true price range and how much money you can borrow for your loan. Just as important, being able to present a pre-approval letter shows sellers you are a qualified buyer, something that can really help you land your dream home in an ultra-competitive market. With limited housing inventory, there are many more buyers active in the market than there are sellers, and that's creating some serious competition. According to the National Association of Realtors (NAR), homes today are receiving an average of 3.8 offers for sellers to consider. As a result, bidding wars are still common. Pre-approval gives you an advantage if you get into a multiple offer scenario, and these days it's likely you will. When a seller knows you're qualified to buy a home, you are in a better position to potentially win the bidding war. Freddie Mac explains, by having a pre-approval letter from your lender, you are telling the seller that you are a serious buyer and you've been pre-approved for a mortgage by your lender for a specific dollar amount. In a true bidding war, your offer will likely get dropped if you don't already have one. Every step you can take to gain an advantage as a buyer is crucial when today's market is consistently changing. Interest rates are rising, prices are going up, and lending institutions are regularly updating their standards. You're going to need guidance to navigate these waters, so it's important to have a team of professionals such as a loan officer and a trusted real estate advisor, making sure you take the right steps and can show your qualifications as a buyer when you find a home to purchase. Bottom line, in a competitive market with low inventory, a pre-approval letter is a game-changing piece of the home buying process. Not only does being pre-approved bring clarity to your home buying budget, but it shows sellers how serious you are about purchasing a home. My name is Tony Popat, and I'm a realtor and mortgage loan originator from Roseville, California. You can call me on 916-547-9749. Please let me know if I can help you with anything related to real estate and mortgage. Please like and subscribe my videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye-bye.